All right, so today we're going to be looking at how do I find missing angles and missing sides of a triangle. So we've looked at a lot of general information and properties and principles of a triangle. We know that triangles add up to be 180 degrees, the angles do. We know that when we take a right triangle, if we know two sides, we can find a third side using the Pythagorean theorem. We know that if we have two triangles that are congruent, if we know something about one, we automatically know the angles and sides of the other. If we know the congruency relationship, we know how to find out if triangles are congruent. We know that if we have similar triangles, there's different properties and principles that we can do to find out different things about it. We have looked at trigonometric ratios, sine, cosine, and tangent when it comes to a right triangle, and how to set up those equations to solve for things. So we've looked at a lot of information in regards to triangles in general. And so we're going to now look at how does that directly apply to real world problems or just in general. How do you apply this information in order to find out different things about a triangle? How do I use that to find the missing sides? Maybe I need to know one of the missing sides. Maybe I need to find out all the sides and all the angles given just a little bit of information. Well, because of what we've learned, we can do that. And so we're going to be looking at how do I use the information I learned to find this information. So if I'm given a triangle ABC, and I know the sides opposite. So A will be opposite of A, side B will be opposite of angle B, side C will be opposite of angle C. And I know these relationships. How can I use the knowledge that I know about triangles to find out this information? So if I was given two angles, can I find a third? Yeah, I can. If I was given one of these angles is a right angle and I know two of the sides, can I find the others? Yes. If I'm just given one side and I know that it's a right angle, I'm given another angle, can I find out everything else? Yes, you can. If I'm just given two sides, can I find out everything else in the angle? Can I find out everything else going on in this triangle? Yes, you can. We're going to see how that all plays out with our triangles. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to look at finding missing angles and sides, given just a little bit of information, just using the knowledge of triangles or trigonometry that we know. And so let's get started.